Okay, so as our topic is God today, we are going to discuss this topic in detail tomorrow. But this is the what are the questionable things created by God? This is one of those questions. In Hindi, firstly, I would ask, and I would ask to translate it. Try to translate, Suhail, and Kalish, you have to try to understand it. अगर बर्ड्स और तितलियों के विंग्स ना होते तो वो खुद को सेव ना कर पाती. Suhail, try to translate. हमने जस्ट
Okay.
हमने पहले भी बहुत सारे कंडीशनल सीखे हैं, लेकिन जो आज हम कंडीशनल्स करने जा रहे हैं पूरी तरह से रेलेवेंट हैं. हमने मे माइट सारे क्लियर करे हैं, लेकिन नाउ दीज सेंटेंसेस आर गोइंग टू गिव अस हार्ड टाइम, सो ट्राई टू ट्रांसलेट.
Okay. If the bird hadn't been a feeder, uh, he he wouldn't save her.
नो, hadn't been तो बिल्कुल नहीं जाएगा. Hadn't been means you are talking about state of being. Here we are talking about having something or not having something. अगर birds और तितलियों के wings ना होते तो वो खुद को सेव ना कर पाती. Try again.
Okay. If the bird and a butterfly had not feathers, so they wouldn't save.
अभी की बात नहीं है कि अभी ना कर पाती, अभी करंट मोमेंट की बात होती. इफ इट वर अ करंट मोमेंट लाइक ही दे वुडंट सेव इट, but here we are talking about the duration. By now means they wouldn't have been able to save themselves, right?
But ma'am, this is an assumption. This is assumption. So I use here. I use yes. I use here would.
Yeah, would apply here. Would apply here definitely, but they wouldn't have been able to save. वो अब तक अपने आप को सेव ना कर पाई होती अगर उनको विंग्स ना होते. इफ दे डिडंट हैव विंग्स.
Here's a duration.
Yes. So
wouldn't be.
The answer is if the birds and butterflies didn't have wings, they would not have been able to save themselves. Okay, clear?
Yeah, no, it's clear.
Kalish, could you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if birds and butterflies didn't have wings, they would not have been able to save themselves. It was the sentence. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, अगर बर्ड्स की बजाय विंग्स लायन को मिल जाते तो क्या होता?
If the lion get wings rather than a bird, what क्या होता? What happened? What would happen?
What would have happened? What would have happened? क्यों, क्या हुआ होता अगर ऐसा हो गया होता? अच्छा, आपको ऐसा फील हो रहा है?
What would have?
You might be feeling like here we are talking about the duration. By that time till now, what would have happened? है ना?
What would have happened?
Yes. So the right answer is what would have happened. Yeah, what would happen if the lions got wings instead of birds? Instead of birds. Okay. What would happen भी अप्लाई हो सकता है. What would have happened ज़्यादा बेटर जा सकता है. What would have happened if lions got wings instead of birds? Okay, next question. जरा सोचो अगर क्रोकोडाइल के विंग्स होते और गॉड ने क्रोकोडाइल और शेर को विंग्स दिए होते तो वो क्या करते? जरा सोचो. कैसे बोलेंगे? जरा सोचो.
Think about if the crocodile and lion they have feather. They had feather. What they do? What would have they do?
सिचुएशन क्लियर की थी. वी हैव ऑलरेडी क्लियर द सिचुएशन. व्हाट इफ, अगर ऐसा होता तो उस सिचुएशन के लिए हम व्हाट इफ यूज करते हैं ना. तो वी कैन अप्लाई हियर व्हाट इफ. And जरा सोचो, just think. अच्छा, आगे की सेंटेंस को समझते हैं और ध्यान से ऑब्जर्व करते हैं तो हम क्या पाते हैं? जरा सोचो, अगर क्रोकोडाइल के विंग्स होते, हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हैविंग समथिंग, सो जस्ट थिंक इफ crocodile had,
just think if the crocodile,
यहाँ पर has या have नहीं आएगा, had आएगा, because it is assumption.
yeah.
So now try please.
Just think if the crocodile and lion had feather, what would have they do?
Feather. You are talking about figure. Feather.
Yes.
Feather. अच्छा, feather और wings में क्या difference होता है?
Feather and wings. Feather make them able to fly. But wings most of bird, mostly a bird, they have wings, but they are not able to fly due to lack of the feather. Feather support to.
It will make a sound like feather. F-E-A.
Feather. Feather help to fly.
Okay. And Kalish, do you know the difference between wings and feather?
Wings, the bats using the wings to fly. Feather means. Can you explain about that feather?
Okay. So feather, I mean, as much I know, to the best of my knowledge, furry wings are feather. Furry wings are feather.
Wings are feather, right?
No, wings which have fur. Fur means? Fur, do you know? Fur means
punk.
Soft.
Oh, okay, soft.
Okay, full of a lot of fur. Okay, those are feather. For example, if we talk about pigeon, they have feather, not wings. Okay.
Yeah, feather.
Yes, feather. Okay. Peacock have feather. Peacocks have feather, not wings.
But ostrich have wings.
Yes, which is not furry, that is wing. Okay. Okay. And what's called a group of birds? What's called a group of birds?
Another one thing. What about the plane? Everything they have the wings, right?
Sorry.
Plane, aeroplane, everything have the wings, right?
Yes. It has wings. Yeah, exactly. Because it is not. We cannot call it feather because it's not furry one. So they are wings. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. And what's called the group of birds? What's called the group of birds? Flock. F-L-O-C-K. Flock. Huh? Yes. Birds of a feather flock together. I hope you might have heard about it. Birds of a feather flock together. Haven't you heard? This is a quite of a popular saying or proverb. Okay, so we will discuss this later. We are going to concentrate the sentence here. जरा सोचो, अगर crocodile के wings होते या अगर God ने crocodile और शेर को wings दिए होते तो क्या होता? तो वो क्या करते? Try to translate, Suhail.
Okay. Just think if the God.
Just imagine. Just imagine if the crocodile.
Just imagine if the crocodile and the lion had feathers.
Nahi, wings.
No, wings.
Yes. इन लोग के feather नहीं होते.
Wings. What they do?
Bus. Okay. Just imagine if the crocodile had wings and if the God had given wings to the crocodile. हम दोनों तरह से translate कर रहे हैं. We are trying to translate in both ways. Just imagine if the crocodile had wings. Another way. Just imagine if God had given wings to the crocodile and the lion. What would they do? What would they do, or what would they have done? What would they have done? What would have they done? ओके, बोथ आर एप्लीकेबल हियर. उन्होंने क्या किया होता अब तक में? उन्होंने क्या किया होता? सो व्हाट वुड दे हैव डन, हम इस तरह से भी बोल सकते हैं. एंड व्हाट वुड दे डू, वो क्या करते? ओके. एंड नाउ अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग सेंटेंस, ट्राई टू ट्रांसलेट. जरा सोचो, अगर क्रोकोडाइल को भगवान ने विंग्स दिए होते तो वो क्या करते?
Just imagine if the god had given the feather crocodile and a lion, what would they do?
आप feather ही लगाओगे ना? You want to apply? You want to get them
Okay,
feather?
wings.
You have imagined, I think, a lion having a feather. Okay. So the next sentence, मेरे ख्याल से अगर गॉड ने क्रोकोडाइल और शेर को विंग्स दे दिए होते तो दुनिया में भयंकर तबाही मचा देते वो लोग.
Okay. In my opinion, if the god had given wings to a lion and a crocodile, so they would uh, they would come a storm in the world, terrible storm in the world.
ओके, मेरे ख्याल से आई थिंक भी जा सकता है, इन माई ओपिनियन भी जाता है, इन माई परसेप्शन में जाता है, एज फार एज आई एम कंसर्न जाता है, टू द बेस्ट ऑफ माई नॉलेज जाता है, जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. I think if God had given wings to crocodile and lion, they would have caused terrible destruction in the world. Destruction मतलब क्या हो जाता? तबाही. अच्छा, एनिलेशन भी आपने सुना होगा. एनिलेशन पूरी तरह से तबाह कर देना किसी भी चीज को, एनिलेट कर देना. एनिलेट इज अ वर्ब, एनिलेशन इज अ वर्ड विच मीन्स की तबाही. Okay. So I think if God had given wings to crocodiles and lions, they would have caused terrible destruction in the world. Destruction is the
World.
here, or annihilation in the world. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. अब इससे ज्यादा सरप्राइजिंग एक और सेंटेंस है. तो आपने कभी इस तरह के सेंटेंस माइंड में सोचे? कैसे पहले सोचे इसको ट्रांसलेट कैसे करेंगे? आपने कभी पहले इस तरह के सेंटेंस दिमाग में सोचे?
Okay. Have you ever thought like this question?
Have you ever given thought
Before?
to this kind of question? Have you ever given thought to this kind of question? हमने given thought अभी लर्न किया है 2 weeks ago, right? Given thought. I have never given thought to this. I have never given thought to this. It could be the answer of this question. So, have you ever given thought to this kind of question? No, I've never ever given thought to this kind of questions. Okay. So, हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जिसको हमें ट्रांसलेट करना है. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है, जरा सोचो पहले के टाइम में जब डायनासोर हुआ करते थे तब लोग कैसे जीते होंगे?
हुआ करते थे. हाँ. Okay. Just imagine a long time ago, when the dinosaur had been there. That time, how would have survived the people?
Okay. कोशिश करते हैं ट्रांसलेट करने की. Just think how people would have lived in the old times when there were dinosaurs.
Sorry ma'am, could you please come again? I lost you.
Just think या just imagine, just assume, just suppose. हमने सारी चीजें सीखी है ना, सबको अप्लाई करें. यहाँ पर एक्टिवली यूज करें जो हमने सीख रखा है. Try to use all those words what we have already learned. Okay, it will help you to revise all the stuff in your mind. So just think, just suppose, just assume how people would have lived in the old times when there was dinosaur.